Flack math! Give me some math and I'll give you some flack. Flack math!
We're going to do lesson 25 and 26.
25 and 26? What? Now that's a lot of math. Jinx, jinx, jinx.
Okay, so 25, we've already really talked about this. So this will be kind of a little review. So we're going to talk about area as a difference. What's difference mean in math?
Subtraction and
Right. So for example, if I had this shape here,
that kid just waving.
if I had this shape here, remember we talked about 3 different ways to find the area. What's one way?
You can add them all up.
Yeah, add up the what?
The sides.
So if I added up the sides, that wouldn't give me area. What would that give me?
Perimeter.
Perimeter. So we're not doing that. But what's one way to find the area? Henry?
You could you could fill in the missing area.
There? That's exactly what we're talking about today. So you skipped right to the point of this lesson is you could find the area of this rectangle here and this rectangle, right? What is that? 48 plus 24 is 72, right? Or you could find the area of this rectangle, which is 48 plus 24 is another 72. Or you could find the area of the whole rectangle, this big guy minus this little guy, right? So this is an 8 by 12 rectangle, which is 96, minus, what's the area of this, 24? 96 minus 24 is also 72 square units. So sometimes it's easier to calculate area as a difference, and sometimes it's the only way. For example, if I wanted to find the area of the shaded area, okay, let's find the area of this shaded area. So here's what the shaded area looks like.
I'm making progress. That's crazy.
What happens if you slope walk?
Okay, do you see the shaded area?
Yes.
Okay, how do you calculate the area of this? Yes, Emerson.
You multiply the width times height
Of what?
the shaded one.
The big one, okay. So
And then
8
you
by
multiply-
8 by 10.
And
And then
you,
what?
You multiply the little square, like the hole.
Okay.
The square donut hole. And then you multiply that width times height. And then you subtract that.
Good.
from the
So you
bigger one.
subtract. So this is what I call like the carpet layer method.
Mr. Flack, 2 times 2 does not equal 6. It's 2 times 3.
2 times 3.
Oh, you wrote 2 times 2.
Yeah, I wrote that wrong. But thanks for saying that, paying attention. I'll give you a free problem set, or a half of one, because it's more grammatical. Okay?
Come on.
So you got 80 minus 6, which is what? 74 square units? Okay? This is what I call the carpet layer method. So what the carpet layer could do is he could cut like one section, another section, another section, another section. That's a lot of sections of carpet. Nobody wants to do that. The easier thing to do is to make one big thing of carpet and then cut out what he doesn't want. So cutting out in math is subtraction.
Yes.
Flack math! Give me some.
Is to make one big thing of carpet and then cut out what he doesn't want. So cutting out in math is to make one big thing of carpet and then cut out what he doesn't want. So cutting out in math is to make one big thing of carpet and then cut out what he doesn't want. So cutting out in math